Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Blockscout to inspect contract calls and events, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Blockscout to inspect contract calls and events, start by navigating to the Blockscout website. Ensure you have the correct blockchain network selected for your project. Next, access the Explorer section from the main menu. In the Explorer section, locate and select the Contracts tab. Here, you will find a list of deployed smart contracts. Select the specific contract you want to inspect. Once on the contract page, look for the Contract Calls section. Click on it to view all interactions with the contract. To inspect specific event logs, return to the contract page. Scroll down to the Events section. This section displays all emitted events related to the contract. Choose the event you wish to analyze. Click on it to reveal detailed information about the event, including parameters and transaction details. To track live contract calls, use the New Transactions feature. This allows you to monitor ongoing interactions in real time. For comprehensive insights, you may also explore additional analytics options available on the platform. Once finished, ensure to bookmark the contract page for easy access in the future. Now, you are equipped to utilize Blockscout for inspecting contract calls and events effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.